If your interest is knowing what is crankshaft ovality, then this is the right video for you. Crankshaft ovality simply means that the crankshaft wear in an unbalanced way or in an uneven way. It means the crankshaft have actually lost the circular shape. The roundness is no longer there. That is what is made by crankshaft ovality. This is a problem caused by a series of things, though that will be handled in another video. But let me mention at least few things that could be the reason for that. Number one is manufacturer error, and number two is vibration or overheating. These are the things that could actually cause problem that will lead to crankshaft ovality. When you have crankshaft ovality, it is a serious problem to your engine because you'll be having metal problem. It will be causing wear to the crankshaft bearings, and also it will also make your engine to be vibrating. So you need to measure the crankshaft for crankshaft ovality. How should you do this? You can use a tool called micrometer. With the help of micrometer, you can discover the crankshaft ovality. There is a way to do this. It is better for you to turn to a professional who can help you to measure crankshaft ovality. But when you are having uneven wear of metal, if you notice that some point of your metal is unevenly wear, then it is better for you to check a journal for a crankshaft ovality. Hope you understand what the crankshaft ovality is. Since you know what the crankshaft ovality is, then watch another video that talks about what are the common crankshaft